To read a problem from an external file, simply call problem.read and pass the file name as a string argument. In case no file extension is passed, the method will search for the MPS and LP format extensions of the file name. This example reads a problem from a file named problem1 with the LP extension before optimizing it and printing the optimal solution vector. Similarly, a problem can be written and exported to an external file via the problem.write function. By default, in case the extension is omitted, the problem is exported in MPS file format, which is the recommended format for export and import operations by maintaining variable and constraint orders coherent. Still, you can easily create a more human-readable LP version of the problem file by using the LP extension in the file name. The example use case instructs the Python program to write problem2 into an LP file. The write_read Python notebook showcases problem matrix writing and reading capabilities of the Express Python interface. After a basic problem is created and variables, objective and constraints are added to the problem, the write method generates and exports the problem as an LP file named example0 into the active working directory. This file can then be opened for debugging purposes or for visual validation of the problem formulation. Then, a second problem is created and loaded by reading the generated LP file using the read method. The name of the file to be read is passed as an argument. Lastly, the problem is optimized, and its best objective value and best solution are printed in the last output cell.